stop my leak completely now. Wish I'd known that last night, or I cut that hose earlier. Now alright, give me that line. Okay. Alright, enough for a clamp. Take that hose back under there. I'm gonna cut it under there. Being on my back. It's so freaking fun. Fun. Okay. Got another good clean spot right here. Would run it. I don't like being on my back. This is ridiculous for me. I hate being on my back. Eventually I am getting me a lift. And then I think I'm even going to go as far as getting an alignment rack. So I think when I retire, I think I want to do front end alignments. Ah, man. Love the smell of fuel. Not really. If I'd known about this leak earlier, it didn't start leaking until after I fixed that one. That's the only problem. Must have been had enough. I took enough pressure off the bigger hole to make this one start leaking. I think we're done. Enough hose to go up on this one. Get this one done. And I think I'm done until the next one. Forget to put your hose clamp on here. All this stuff here, I'll zip tie together. you got enough? Enough? Put that clamp on. What would you do? Took up too much on the clamp. Come on, spread it. Come on. Okay, good. There you go. All right. Dead tight. Ah, man. All right. All right. Let's see. I got all the fuel leaks. Like I said, I got some small clamps. It's all small zip ties. Zip them across here. I've actually got one clamp here that I can screw into the bottom to hold them all up. But as you can see, got to get them up because they're all hanging. You got to get them up. Get them up here. Even if you got to use self-tapping screws. Get them up there. Alrighty. It's just gravity fed right now. Let me. We're gonna I'll put the battery back up. I'll get some pressure on this. See how we did. Haven't done anything yet. Got to put your fuel relay back in, and that's right in line with these two here. Doesn't matter which way you put it in. So we go. And turn. Hear the pump. Pump's running till it fills up. Taking a little bit. I hope there's some fuel in it. I want it to drain all the fuel out of there over the time, because it is not picking up fuel. Oh no! Oh. I don't have any fuel leaks, but oh man! I don't know how much fuel I had in here, but it's not picking up any fuel. The pump is just, well, it's doing something. It's getting better. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Just for the heck of it. That's the way it should sound, is whoom. You hear it? But I do have a fuel tank. Okay, pressure check under here. You see any leakage? I don't see any. Okay. Well, I want to start here in a minute. And the thing is, I got to put the air cleaner back in, because you got to